Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about a feature that is very important for Shopify stores, especially for Shopify users. Many Shopify users use different apps for this feature, and they have to pay monthly for those apps. I'm talking about the progress bar feature. So, guys, you can add this feature to your cart, and whenever a user adds a product to the cart, they will see a progress bar showing how much balance is left to complete the progress bar. When they cross that limit, you can offer them a free gift. This way, your sales will increase and your order value will also go up. The progress bar has many benefits. In today's video, we'll see how you can add this progress bar to your store without using any app. This video is completely free, and you can access this feature for free and add it to your store. So, let's move forward with the video. First, you need to open your store's admin panel. After opening the admin panel, you should duplicate your theme. I've already duplicated my theme here, named Dawn Progress Bar. I'll open its code. To open the code, click on the three dots, and you'll see the Edit Code option. Click on it to open it. Once you open the Edit Code option, all your code files will appear. The first thing you need to do is create a snippet. You can name the snippet anything you want, but in my case, I'm naming it GRT Progress Bar. After creating the snippet, you need to add some code to it. Once you've pasted the code, you need to open your theme's settings schema. You'll see two settings related files, settings_data.jso and settings_schema.jso. Open the settings_schema.jso file and go to the bottom. After the last comma in the collection, you need to add a schema and paste it there. After pasting the schema and adding the code to the progress bar snippet, search for Cart Drawer. Open the Cart Drawer snippet and you'll see a tag starting with Cart Drawer Item around line 77. By line 82, you need to render the snippet you created. I created a snippet named GRT Progress Bar, so I'll render it here. It will automatically appear. Now, open your theme's JavaScript file by searching for global. The global.js file will open. Go to the bottom and paste a JavaScript code, which you'll also find. Save it after pasting. Your coding work is done. You can find all this code on our website through the link in the video description. You can add the code as it is, just like I did, and access this feature for free. After adding all the code, go back and open the customizer for the theme where you pasted the code. In the customizer, click on the second icon in the corner on the right or left side, which is for theme settings. Then, click on the cart settings, which is the third option from the bottom. You'll see some extra settings we added in the settings_schema.jso file, like free product settings with a header. If you check this, the progress bar will activate on your store. I'll check it, and my progress bar will activate. Leave the free product message and if enter tooltip message as they are. You'll see an amount setting where you can set the amount after which the user will get a gift. For now, I'm setting it to 4,000 rupees. When a user crosses 4,000 rupees, they'll get a free gift. Save it and preview your store to check if the progress bar feature is working. To test it, I'll add a product to the cart. My cart is empty now, so I'll add a product and take its value above 4,000 rupee to see if the progress bar increases. I added a product worth 1,499 rupees, so the progress bar increased, showing 1,499 rupees added. The total limit is 4,000 rupees, and we still need 2,501 rupee to reach it. I'll increase the quantity to check if it updates. Now it's updated to 12 rupee left for the free gift. Since this product's quantity is maxed out, I'll open another product and increase its quantity. After adding it to the cart, the limit of 4,000 rupees is crossed and a message appears, "Congrats, you are eligible for a free gift." This way, you can add a progress bar and offer a discount or free shipping as a gift. I've created a discount where if a user crosses 5,000 rupees in cart value and checks out, they get a 10% discount. Let me show you. I've set a 10% discount for a minimum purchase of 5,000 rupees. Actually, I'll increase it to 40%. So, when a user crosses 5,000 rupees and checks out, they'll get a 40% discount. Our current cart value is 6,745 rupees, which is above 5,000 rupees. After checking out, the 40% discount is applied, reducing the total to 4,000 rupees. This way, you can add a progress bar, offer free shipping or discounts, and increase your order value and sales. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.